SPOTme by Group 36. I don't want to go to the game. Finding somewhere to park will be a disaster. SPOTme wants to eliminate these excuses when it comes to going to events. When it comes to concerts, movies, rodeo shows, the list goes on and on. The things that people find most frustrating is finding the best spot. We are asking $10,000 for 6.7% of our business. We would ask for about $5,000 for our startup costs and $5,000 to cover initial operating expenses. People need a convenient economic parking location when traveling. Homeowners, renters, and apartment owners have excess parking spots in their driveway and/or lots. Those owning extra parking spaces could post these locations on a platform and allow visitors to rent out these spaces. Our target renters are attendees who struggle with parking in large cities and regularly looking for cheap alternatives to things. Our target hosts are urban residents with extra parking spaces who are looking to make some extra money when events take place in their area. Who is in the market? According to the Parking Today media, there are 200 plus parking apps currently in the market. Frost and Civilian research results, parking apps that are already in business track about 57 million on and off street parking spaces. Competitive advantage? Uber, but for parking. It is the only app that allows your average person to earn money by selling their spot to the public. Download projections featured in both the Apple App Store and Google Play, free download for both platforms, between 10,000 and 50,000 downloads for the first year projection. Revenue projection, revenue formula mainly generated through paid advertising, paid per click based on 10 cents, takes 25% on each sale on app. Second year projections between 7,200 and 36,000 through advertisement, estimated between 125,000 and 312,500 from transactions. Our estimated costs are $2,500 on websites, $2,500 will be used for advertisement, and $5,000 will be used for operating expenses. Our advertisement will also go on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all free platforms. We will also sell 100 flyers properly placed at 7 cents per print, which is $7. Some critical risk is associated with competitors that are in the same market and our consumers using them over SPOTme. Our top competitors, standard parking lots, other parking applications. Summary. We're asking $10,000 for 6.7% of the business. It is the only app that allows your average person to earn money by selling their spot to the public. Estimated first year revenues between $13,000 and $335,000. We will be advertising through social media and targeting specific locations.